Good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Tatum Gwynn. We continue to follow the latest developments in the tragic crash that killed 9 people Tuesday. The NTSB revealing heart-wrenching details this afternoon. Their report states that the 13-year-old victim was driving the truck that crashed into the University of Southwest van head-on. But that was not the only contributing factor in this crash. Victor Lopez is here to tell us more about what their investigation has uncovered so far. Hi, Victor.
Hi, Tatum. Well, the fact that the 13-year-old was driving was a bit of a shock. We'll actually get into that here in a little bit because, like you said, there are other factors. The preliminary investigation found that the pickup was riding with a spare tire on the front driver's side, and it was moving pretty fast since the speed limit on Telephone Road is 75 miles per hour. The tire blew out. That sent the pickup into the northbound lane where it, as you said, collided head-on with the USW van. Now, we're told that several of the students were not wearing their seatbelts, and one of them was even thrown from the van. Vice Chair of the NTSB, Bruce Landesberg, said DPS was able to determine that the 13-year-old was driving the pickup because of the size of the remains that were found in the driver's side of the burned-out cab. Now, this tragedy, a stark reminder of just how important we should all take our driving.
The carnage on our highways exceeds any other mode of transportation. In no other mode would we tolerate 100+ fatalities each and every day. So by the end of today, 100 more people will have died on our highways, and thousands more will have suffered life-altering injuries, including severe burns, amputations, and so forth, which we do not want to minimize. So we think it's high time that we started to take our driving a bit more seriously than what it is.
Now, our preliminary report should be out in 2 to 3 weeks, but gathering additional evidence will actually take months, and that includes reconstructing the scene, taking information from the vehicle recorders, and, of course, interviewing witnesses. Now, Landesberg said the NTSB is only investigating the crash and not any potential criminal investigation. Tatum.